What's up guys, this is Sparshan in this next video of Java tutorial in the sequence of the second part followed by the installation of Java. So in this part we're gonna just learn the type of variables in Java we are using. And in Java there are three kind of variables: local variable, instance variable, and static variable. You can draw this chart if you have your notebook with yourself. It's a very important chart. Okay, local variable by name, it suggests that the variable is declared inside the method you are using. Instance variable may be new to you. Instant variables means that, as already know, you got to work in classes in Java. So what instance variable means, you got I'll just tell you with an example. Okay, this is a class. Okay, it's a class, and let's say we declare a variable and hi over here, and we declare a method. Okay, let's just close this class and declare a method public void, not a static function, public void method. Enter this method, and we are accessing this hi here, hi equals to 10. So this variable is called an instance variable. Okay, so let's quickly get an idea. I'll just tell you in detail. Inside the method, local variable, instance variable, a variable that is declared inside the class but outside the method is called an instant variable. It's not declared as static. Static variable is a variable that declared as a static keyword beside that name of a variable. It cannot be local, and this is a small example. Let me just copy all. Just copy it, paste it. Okay, class A, you have int data in the class. Okay, and you are using this what a definition of instance variable. It shouldn't be declared in the method but should be declared in the class itself. So you're using this data in the class but outside the method. And in Java, in C we use a name function for a function that provides a bunch of programs that provides that performs a particular function. But in Java it calls a method. And for that it's instance variable because it's in the class outside the method. Now look at this variable. It declared static int m. You have a keyword static over here that says it's a static variable. Not gonna change its value, same as. But look at this variable int n. This is a local variable, is declared in a method. That's quite understanding. Hope you like it. Let's meet in the next video.